Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong stresses need for strong state mechanism to tackle infiltration of Bangladeshi nationals. Second phase of interstate border talks likely to face delays as Assam prepares for assembly polls, says Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong. Entrepreneur Rose Carcente's journey from humble beginnings to national honor inspires many. And first phase of Nongpo Umden Sonapur Road project nearing completion, says Nongpo MLA Meralbon's ear. The news in detail. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong on Friday highlighted the urgent need for a strong state-level mechanism to tackle the rising infiltration of Bangladeshi nationals into Meghalaya. He suggested either strengthening the Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act (MRSSA) or enacting a new law to effectively address the issue, stating that the existing national law is under the purview of central agencies. His remarks come amid heightened national concerns over illegal migration from Bangladesh, with states like Chhattisgarh and Assam intensifying verification and deportation efforts.
Sometimes BSF were able to block them, but sometimes our police also were able to nab them, and ultimately the moment we arrested those concerned infiltrators, what we do is, again, the central laws apply. So central laws means deportation has to be, again, done according to the Act, according to the rules of the Central Act.
The second phase of the Assam-Meghalaya border talks is likely to face delays as Assam prepares for assembly elections next year. Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, who chairs the Riboy Regional Committee, said he is still waiting for Assam to confirm a date for joint inspections of disputed areas. He, however, stated that Meghalaya is ready to proceed, ideally after the monsoon, around the end of September. To prevent tensions, Tinsong appealed for peace and maintenance of the status quo in disputed villages.
I'm yet to get the date from my counterpart. So I'm waiting for the date to be indicated by them. We wish that even from Assam side, they are ready for the inspection of both the committees.
Hard work and humility paved the way to success. This belief was echoed in the inspiring words of Rose Angeline M. Carcente, an award-winning entrepreneur from the Eastern West Khasi Hills district. Her relentless dedication to grassroots digital empowerment has not only earned her national recognition, but also the deep respect and admiration of her clan.
Habajit penlong inong ay kam hagajaka jong inong wat kam galinti kam long kabasuk kadawa ya kasab kajingay siya bat kajing ay tilod isamla Rose Angeline M. Choosing to become a job provider instead of a job seeker is no easy path. It demands skill, patience, and unwavering determination. Rose Angeline M. Carcente embodies all these qualities. She recently made headlines when she was honored during the National Celebration of Digital India at 10 in New Delhi for her exceptional contribution to grassroots digital initiatives.
First national award hapo ka district, but kadi ka kam ka mga try kadi ka all online services, but shibun bagi kam hapo jung kadi ka CSC ngila try kum ka banking ka DGP ki e-service e-governance ikini bede ka telelaw ki healthcare.
In honor of her achievement, the central body of the Carcente clan held a special felicitation ceremony to celebrate Rose's success. They praised her for bringing pride, recognition, and honor to the state and to the clan, especially for her work in empowering the youth and promoting entrepreneurship.
Nisngaw sarong namar kajing tray ka jar joki lakum utiu do mau bompay perkhan habawan ra ya kijingmot kajing perkhat ka joki ulong palat ya kata ka laipo arm jingmot jong utiu do mau
makanya ketika nuksa ko pahatam bapelapan iya ngi ating gibanak sangwan makumdong di balong gibatray stom ngin kit yan ba hakano kuno ka kamu ngi tray I'm in trainer the museum so jang ka jingjap ha kan ko sing sangan pa
Rose received the prestigious CSC Udyami Ratna Saman for her efforts. She credits the award as a reflection of the collective effort and hard work of her family and her team.
Tinga ko ban ay min simro ish kana ba kim kide ban smo tho ba la kisdang inu jingle ibaret kim de ban smo po te kide ban smo yela de ba kide ban work hard treshitam.
Looking ahead, Rose plans to launch digital platforms that will facilitate online examinations and provide coaching support for aspirants preparing for competitive examinations, taking yet another step towards building a digitally empowered and self-reliant youth. Bureau Report DD News, Meghalaya.
Nongpo MLA Meralbon CM on Friday conducted a comprehensive review of ongoing and proposed road projects in his constituency, expressing satisfaction over the pace and quality of work, particularly on the Nongpo Umden Sonapur road. CM informed that a 20-kilometer first phase of the project, funded through a state scheme, has made significant progress. Nearly 100% of the hard surface work has been completed. The second phase of the road project falls under the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sarak Yojana. He also confirmed that surveys for several unconnected villages in the Umling CNRD block have been completed and proposals have been submitted under the upcoming PMGSY-4 scheme.
I'm happy to inform that the contractor concerned, he has agreed to complete it maximum within a year for the first part. And then for the second part also, today in the review meeting, the contractor concerned, he has expressed his concern about his ability. And I hope that in due course of time, because for the second part, the work order he just received in the month of May. So the work has just started, but I hope that he can finish within 1.5 years, within 2 years.
The Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo People Mau-Ed Area Unit has submitted a written complaint to the Executive Engineer of the PWD Roads Department, Nongstoin, expressing concern over the excessive delay in the construction of the Nongstoin Mau-Ed Road, the portion of the 12th kilometer from Mau Dom to Mau-Ed. The Federation stated that, as per official documents, the target for completing the road is set for the 21st of September 2025. However, if the current pace of work continues, it is unlikely that the project will be completed on time.
Inagaliang jungi kum kaseng matagasi ngiyo iba ki jing pentray katay kalong basuki hadu kata hakba nagaliang jungi machine iba pentray katay surok ki don tangkum ba kawai arteli bat nagaliang jungi kali kiba kit mau kit eru ki don tangkum ta kawai arteli inagaliang jungi kum kaseng matagasi ngilawan man IT ya kakot na kabanta ban karpat kamtam ya ii ade khmi ya katay surok ba un lay nang ba utay kontraktor ba pentray katay surok un simkya na kabanta ban pendep katkum katay kapor kabana kaliang jong ka government kala thai u pendep hapo jong ki arp sau banai.
The Hinyao Trap Youth Council Riboy Sepni yesterday submitted a memorandum to the District Superintendent of Police seeking the immediate deployment of women police personnel at Patharkama Police Station. Council's President R.C. Thankyo noted that the lack of female officers creates significant challenges, particularly in sensitive situations requiring gender-specific handling. The HYC emphasized that the presence of women police personnel is not just necessary but essential for ensuring the safety, dignity and proper redressal of cases involving women, especially in a key location like Patharkama.
Ngilawan ban ye kendu yau SP jong Karim Hoi district hagbere bat ka jing bomdan jong ki police women wing hapo ga Patharkama police station nandu bala upgrade ya ka Patharkama na ka police outpost sa police station hadu menta ki police kenthai kimdon hapo ga Patharkama police station kani ka bu jing ya ki ya ka thanat hi bor ko wei hagaba ka laradon kidu ki case hagaba Langaliang jong ki police kenthai ki hab ban touch na menta ki kenthai lada kani ke jing dawana lang ji kum ka sangshau SP jong Riboy district lada kamlong ka ba seiso ngilalong ki bala kloi ban ya kendu wat ya home minister ru hag bari bat ka jing bomdon jong ki police kenthai hapo jong ka police station Patharkama.
Amid claims that consumption of contaminated tomatoes led to the death of a 15-year-old girl identified as Shailanti Marngar from Mauriang Tanai village under Eastern West Khasi Hills district on July 18, the Sordar of this village, Amborlin CM, refuted these claims, stating that such reports were not based on any verified findings. According to him, even the family themselves are unsure about the exact cause of the illness, though it is expected to be a case of food poisoning.
Kini pa kipatip raba kani ka bahasa kano kan pang teh ka kami pa kin papang ra kani jing pang ka karab episa nala poisa sta kini pa kinang mot bangin lek bu kani ka way bat kata ka way ka basa sinong krem ikin sawan pet biang kani kini kun ki baret bat kani ka balak bat way u men dan dei kerja pat ba tang sepoi yang ti hapo starting group kiru kelayo Jepang lang.
The Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute yesterday conducted a one-day training program on Mission Karma Yogi and IGOT for government officials of Eastern West Khasi Hills district with the objective of building awareness and strengthening digital learning capacity among public servants. The training program was held at the multi-purpose hall of the Deputy Commissioner's office in Mausawa. The training focused on the key vision of Mission Karma Yogi to develop a future-ready, citizen-centric civil service through structured, competency-based learning. The West Garo Hills District Swimming Association today organized a swimming trial for the upcoming 39th National Games at the Tura Swimming Pool Complex in Rongkhon, Tura. The trial saw participation from 17 swimmers above 14 years of age, including 5 girls and 12 boys from the 5 Garo Hills districts, West, Southwest, South, North and East. Another round of trials is scheduled for July 26th, after which all the selected swimmers from today's and 26th July will undergo basic training at the Rongkhon Swimming Complex before proceeding to Shillong for the final selection process. KMST Shillong, a group of motorsport enthusiasts, has informed that it will participate at the upcoming Rainforest Challenge India 2025 to be held in Goa from 28 July to 3rd August 2025. The RFC India is regarded as one of the world's most challenging off-road motorsport competitions. Team leader Vicky Kharkongor expressed optimism and excitement over the upcoming event and said that they have been looking forward to this event for the last 10 years.
So this particular trip is, we have a tagline which is called From the Hills to Goa. We are also planning to document the whole program. So we will be starting tomorrow at 1 o'clock at midnight. And we are traveling with a team of 3 vehicles, 1 service vehicle with all the spares and other parts, and the main competition vehicle will be traveling on a trailer.
Now for the weather report. First, let us take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 25 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 33 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 68%. Rainfall 0.9 millimeters. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 20 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 24 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 92% and rainfall 6.2 millimeters. Meanwhile, in Jawai, minimum temperature 20 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 24 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 90%. Rainfall 2.9 millimeters. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and Jawai indicates that moderate rain and thundershower is likely to occur at most places. And before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong stresses need for strong state mechanism to tackle infiltration of Bangladeshi nationals. Second phase of interstate border talks likely to face delays as Assam prepares for assembly polls, says Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong. Entrepreneur Rose Carcentier's journey from humble beginnings to national honor inspires many. And first phase of Nongpo Umden Sonapur Road project nearing completion, says Nongpo MLA Narawbons Ian. That's all we have in the news for today. Do join us again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Until then, it's good night.